What exactly is a bone marrow transplant?
Before we go on discussing on the bone marrow transplant, I would like to put some basics about hematology. Hematology means a condition to deal with the blood and blood forming tissues, basically something related to blood. When we see a blood, we got three types of cells in the blood called red, white and platelet, which has been formed from some tissue called as a bone marrow. What is bone marrow? We have a bone which looks white in color, but inside the bone there's something looks red and yellowish in combination, which we call as a spongy tissue called as a marrow. This produces blood cells, three type of blood cells which we discussed. So if you call three cells as a children, the bone marrow is a mother from where it is produced. For certain conditions, this bone marrow get affected due to certain diseases, cancerous or non-cancerous. When it get affected, we need to change it. What is there inside that? There are some cells which are known for dividing on their own and replenishing the old cells. We call it as a stem cell. In common man language, we can call it as a miracle seed of the blood, called as a bone marrow hematopoietic stem cell inside that red color tissue. So something to deal with changing that system is called as a bone marrow transplant. You change that, so it produces a new set of cells which are much healthier, much stronger, very good immune, replacing the old cells. That forms a brief of about a bone marrow transplant.